In the previous video, we have seen how to compile the Winix. Now let's just go through all the source code, like how many unimplemented functions are there, like what we need to do and which functions we need to implement. And first open the Winix and go to the kernel folder, and in that open main, and let's first go through this kmain.c. The kmain.c is the first file which will be functioning when the system boots up. And in the kmain.c we can see there are so many functions, like all are unimplemented. And for example, and the bootstrap function, you can see that it is like shown not yet implemented, and this will be we have to remove this, like we have to write our own source code and we have to do that. And the same thing with the other files, like now go to the proc folder and open the kmutex.c. In the kmutex.c, as we know that we have used the mutex concepts and we have used many mutex functions in our Linux, but as we are writing our own kernel, we don't have any function, so we have to define everything from the beginning. So we are defining the kmutex log function, kmutex init function, and all these are unimplemented till now, and we have, by the end of this project, we are going to implement all these functions, kmutex log cancelable and all these functions. And this thing also, which is not yet implemented. Now let's go through the other file, which is in proc folder only, and that kthread.c. This kthread.c is for using threading concepts and all the functions related to threads, and the first function is kthread init, and which is already implemented, like the basic thing, which is not at all useful. And kthread destroy, and this thing kthread create, which is not yet implemented, we are going to write it. And kthread cancel, which cancels the thread for process all the thread. Final one is kthread exit. Now let's go through other file. And this is scheduling. All the scheduling process will be in this schedule.c. And in this file we have so many functions, like schedule sleep on, which is not yet implemented, cancelable sleep on, wake up on, and we have, and for this assignment actually we are working on the 5 C files, and we are going to write all the C functions related into the C files. And if you want to extend the project, we can do so many, like we can write the whole kernel also, but for time being we are completing this thing. And let's open the proc.c also. In the proc.c we have proc create function, which is not yet implemented, and proc kill all. And in the next videos, like we are all going to see how to implement these functions and how we are going to do this, and by the end of the project we are finishing up with this.